Hello students, in this video we will learn how to convert binary number into decimal number. For this conversion we should have knowledge of exponent. Exponent is also known as power. Power is written in the form of superscript. For example, if I am writing 2 to the power 3, this 3 will be power of 2. So this 3 is in superscript form. Do you know what is superscript? Superscript is a letter which is written above the base line. So 3 here is power of 2. We can read it as 2 raised to the power 3. Now how to find the values of such numbers which are having power? For finding such values we have to use these rules. Rule number 1. Any number with power 0 is equal to 1. For example, if 2 is having power 0, value will be 1. So, I said any number with power 0. So, number can be any number like 100. If its power is 0, so value will be 1. If it is 598, you can take any number. But you have to remember, if its power is 0, then value will be same 1. Rule number 2. Number with power 1 is equal to the number itself. For example, if number is 2, its power is 1. So, value of this whole number will be the number itself, 2. For example, if number is 100, its power is 1. Value will be this number. Similarly, we can take other example like 556. If its power is 1, value will be 556. Now rule number 3. If power of a number is greater than 1, let's say power is n, then we will multiply number by itself for n times. For example, if I am taking a number 2 and power is n, so I will find the value of this number. So I have to multiply this number by itself. Itself means इस number को इसी से multiply करना है. How many times? Up to n times. If it is 2 to the power 2, so we will evaluate it by writing 2 multiply 2. It means we are multiplying this 2 by itself. How many times? Power is 2, so we will multiply it 2 times. 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 4. Now I am taking 2 to the power 3. I will multiply 2 by 2 only. How many times? Power is 3, so I will write it 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Similarly, 2 to the power 4, we have to multiply it by itself 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So answer will be 16. You need to remember all the 3 rules, and if you are not able to understand the rules, at least you can learn these values which we will need for conversion of binary number to decimal number. First value is 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now let's revise these rules again. When power is 0, then value will be 1. Number यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है, 2, 3, 4, 100, any number can be here. But if its power is 0, तो value हमेशा 1 होगी. If its power is 1, अगर यहाँ पे कोई number है और उसकी power 1 है, तो what will be the value? जो यहाँ पे number होगा, the same will be the value. जैसे अगर यहाँ पे 100 है and if its value is 1, तो answer will be 100. Now 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. How we have got this 4 here? We have multiplied 2 by itself 2 times. It means 2 into 2. अगर यहाँ पे 3 होता, then we would have written 3 multiplied 3 equals to 9. Similarly, 2 to the power 3 equals to 8 because we have multiplied 2 by 2 3 times. 2 multiplied 2 equals to 8. If there will be 3, तो हम क्या करेंगे 3 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 multiplied 3 that is 27. Similarly we can do for last one also. 2 will be multiplied by itself 4 times, then we will get the value 16. Now moving towards conversion of binary to decimal, consider an example. Convert 1010 base 2 into decimal number. Now we will write the digits leaving some space between them. 1010. Now we will make a structure like this. Now after making this structure, we will write the digits here like 0, 1, 0, 1. I am writing the same digits over here. Now we have to multiply them with 2 to the power 0. This one 2 to the power 1. You can see this number is same. I am taking it again 2. Only the power is increasing. Now 2 to the power 2. Then 2 to the power 3. Now I am going to solve them. 0 into 2 to the power 0. We have already learned that its value is 1. So 0 into 1 equals to 0. 1 into 2 to the power 1 value is 2. So we will write here 2 equals to 2. 1 into 2, 2. Now 0, this 0 I am taking. Now multiply. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So we will multiply any number with 0. So answer will be 0. 1 multiply 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So instead of this value I will write here 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Now for getting the final answer, we will add all these products. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 0, 2 and 2 plus 8, 10. And as it is a decimal number, I will mention its base as 10. So I am repeating it again. First, we will add all these products to get the decimal number. Let's take another example. Convert 10101 into decimal number. Now for solution of the question, I have written the number in the form of this structure. Now I will start solving it. 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. Now taking the next digit, we will always start from the last digit. Now 0 into 2 to the power 1. You can see that I am increasing the power. 1 0 into, I will take this digit 0 into 2 to the power 1 means 2 equals to 0. Now 1 multiply 2 to the power 2. Now 1 multiply value of 2 to the power 2 is 4 equals to 4. Now solving this one, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3 equals to 0 multiply value of 2 to the power 3 is 8 equals to 0. Next 1 multiply 2 to the power 4 equals to 1 multiply value of this one is 16. 1 into 16 is 16. Now we will add all these products. Add them. 16 plus 0, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 0, 20 again, and plus 1, 21. So we have got the decimal number, it is our answer, and we have to mention the base also, as it is a decimal number, so its base will be 10. I hope now you will be able to convert binary number into decimal number. Thanks for watching the video.